In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage backups in Google Cloud. Backup and DR will break down everything you need to know to effectively navigate the Google Cloud console and ensure you can easily access your backups when you need them. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by accessing the Google Cloud console. This is your central hub for managing Google's suite of cloud services, and it provides a user-friendly interface for monitoring and operating your cloud resources. Once you're logged into the console, your journey begins by navigating over to the Backup and Disaster Recovery section. Take a moment to orient yourself with the interface if you're not familiar with it, as it's a powerful tool that brings all your cloud management tasks into one convenient location. Next, you'll want to find the section labeled Vaulted Resources, also known as Vaulted Resources Backups. This is where the magic happens. This area provides a comprehensive overview of all your scheduled and on-demand backups, displaying each one in an organized manner. This feature is crucial because it ensures that you're always aware of what backups you have, their statuses, and when they were taken. Once you're on the Vaulted Resources page, take a look through the list to find the specific backup you're interested in. Click on the backup name to view further details. Here, you'll find essential information such as the creation time, expiration date, and the backup rule applied to it. This detailed view helps you understand the life cycle and policy of each backup, providing clarity on your backup strategy and retention policy. If you find that you no longer need a particular backup, perhaps due to retention settings, or if the data is obsolete, there's also an option to delete backups directly from this interface. However, keep in mind that deletion is only possible if the retention policy permits it, so always ensure you check the policy details before proceeding. Additionally, should you require data restoration, the Vaulted Resources page offers straightforward options to restore your backups. It's an intuitive process designed to give you peace of mind, knowing that your data can be recovered swiftly and efficiently whenever necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your backup management within Google Cloud. Understanding how to effectively view and manage your backups is a crucial skill for ensuring the resilience and reliability of your data systems. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tutorials on managing your digital environment.